In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates on Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process, from grabbing your Canva link, to creating a simple instruction PDF, to setting everything up inside Shopify so your customers automatically receive their templates after purchase. First, open the Canva template you want to sell. Go to the top right and click the share button. In the sharing options, change the access level so that anyone with the link can access it, and make sure it's set so they can edit the design. This is important because your buyers need to be able to customize the template themselves. Once that's set, click copy link and keep that link handy for the next step. Now you'll create a PDF instruction file that your customers will download after purchase. You can do this in a simple tool like Google Docs. Start a new document and write a short, friendly thank you message at the top so customers feel welcomed. Under that, add clear, step-by-step instructions on how to use the template, ideally in 4 or 5 simple steps. Make sure you paste the Canva link in its own line or section so it's very easy to see and click. At the bottom, add a short note about how customers can reach you for support if they have any issues. When you're happy with the document, go to the File menu, choose Download, and select PDF document. This PDF is what you'll upload to Shopify. Next, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top, click the search bar, then choose Apps from the dropdown, type Digital Downloads, and press Enter. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. From the search results, find the app called Digital Downloads and click it. Install the app and follow the prompts. When the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the app's dashboard. Before attaching your file, you need to create the digital product. On the left panel in Shopify, click Products, then click Add Product in the top right. In the product editor, enter your Canva template name as the product title. In the description box, write a detailed description explaining what the template is for, what's included, the benefits, and how the customer will receive the Canva link through the PDF. You can format this text to make it easy to read. In the media section, click Upload New to add preview images from your computer, or select existing to use images already in your Shopify files. These previews help customers understand what they're buying. Scroll down to the pricing section and set your selling price. Under inventory, you can turn off inventory tracking since this is a digital product, or leave it on if you prefer to limit the number of purchases or just track sales. In the shipping section, make sure you disable "This is a physical product" so Shopify doesn't ask for shipping details at checkout. Then click Save at the top. Now go back to the Digital Downloads app dashboard and wait for it to load. You'll see a list of your products there. Find the product you just created and click. Add digital file on its row. In the product's digital files editor, click Add Files. A pop-up window will open so you can browse your computer. Find the PDF instruction file you created earlier, select it, and click Open or press Enter. Wait for the file to fully upload, and when it's done, click Save near the top. At this point, your Canva template is fully set up as a digital product on Shopify. Customers will be able to purchase it, and they'll automatically receive the PDF with the Canva link and instructions, making the whole process seamless for both you and them.